Well, 25. Hours just flying by. Maybe you get hit by a shower in a few spots this afternoon, a few more than yesterday. I want to talk about some heat first. If you think, man, it's been hot this August. Yeah, you're probably right out there. It's looking like it could be one of the hottest or maybe the hottest on record for most of the valley. Here are a few cities, Brownsville, Harlingen, McAllen. The average temperature for the month so far, if you take the high and low each day, so far up through yesterday, average it out, you get 89.0 in Brownsville, 88.7 in Harlingen, 91.6 in McAllen. Now you look at comparing that to the hottest August on record, which most of them not too long ago. Last year in Brownsville, we're already ahead of that pace of 87.8 degrees, and we're ahead in Harlingen by a few tenths of a degree, and McAllen also by 0.2 of a degree hotter than all of August of 2009. So we got 2018, 2016, 2009 to beat for the three cities for hottest August on record. And if things don't cool off much, we'll be probably in that neighborhood for the rest of the month. So get ready for, again, could be maybe a record setting again in parts of the valley in terms of heat. Today, though, still near 100 degrees in some areas, especially the upper valley. But if you do get a few more clouds and cooled by a shower, keeps temperatures a little cooler today. But no heat advisories. That's still one plus. And small rain chances around most days, not widespread rain, but like today, a couple showers or a weak thunderstorm could pop up in the afternoon hours and move across the valley each of the next several days through the weekend. 95 right now in Rio Grande City, 96 in Harlingen, and 96 in Raymondville, 95 in Brownsville. And the heat index still, it's not too cool with the humidity. Still feels like 108 right now in Brownsville, 100 in McAllen, 102 in Raymondville. Highs, the actual high temperatures today, still mainly in the upper 90s, but once you get toward about McAllen to the west, it could break the 100-degree mark, and the heat index above 106 at times, and a few isolated showers or a weak thunderstorm possible this afternoon. No severe weather, but kind of sea breeze type showers and maybe a weak thunderstorm. You see, there's not a lot out there. When you look at the map, it's still dry in probably at least 90% of the area right now, but we look at a couple of showers out there, one of the heavier ones coming up through southern Willisey County, moving to the northwest, west of Santa Monica, a little brief downpour. Again, this only hangs around for maybe 15 minutes or so, maybe enough to give you a quarter or a half an inch of rain at the most as it moves through. This is going through rural areas of Willacy County, just moving north of FM 1018, could get close to the Raymondville area. In Hidalgo County, there was a shower near Progreso. That fizzled out, reformed here northwest of Weslaco and near Dono on the north side of Dono, some rain, and in parts of Alamo. Just again, a little quick downpour, maybe for 10 minutes or so. We zoom in there and you see there are the showers over the last hour popping up and moving quickly right over FM 493 right now on the north side of Donna. Future Track again shows the trends, not specifically every little shower, but the trend of a couple showers here and there through the afternoon hours, moving their way toward the northwest, and then by this evening they kind of go away. And then tomorrow we're back into still the same type of pattern, dry early in the morning at sunrise, and then as we get toward noon, you may see a couple showers pop up and drift along to the west or northwest with the sea breeze, and maybe a quick downpour for 15 or 20 minutes. And then even on Friday, still a couple showers here and there pop up, as Future Track indicates. A couple showers, maybe a 10 or 20% chance for rain or so most of the time, mainly confined to the afternoon hours. And again, that may continue through the weekend. Now in the tropics, even though there's a lot of dust out there in most of the tropical Atlantic and the Caribbean, things trying to come to life. You see, this is north end of a tropical wave, not doing much though near the Yucatan Peninsula and the northwest Caribbean. There is one little wheat disturbance trying to pull together. Nothing in the next couple days. Hurricane Center says in the next 5 days, a 20% chance of development. Some of the models kind of form low pressure here and kind of take it up somewhere off the southeast coast, maybe by the weekend or early next week. Now, farther out into the Atlantic, again, most of this out here is dusty and very quiet with nothing. But in the North Atlantic, do you see it? It's pretty sad looking, but this little patch of clouds that's left is a tropical storm. Tropical storm Chantal. Winds are 40 miles per hour. Officially a tropical storm yesterday evening, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Not expected to impact land really anywhere, drifting around the Atlantic. If it holds together even the next few days, it could still be a tropical depression or so by the weekend as it kind of hangs around the North Atlantic, but again, not near any land or islands through the weekend before it may fall apart. 99 today, partly to mostly cloudy skies, about a 20% chance of a shower or weak thunderstorm. Winds not too breezy today. By tonight, down to 77 degrees. Dry weather overnight and light winds. And then in the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, temperatures still don't change a lot, mainly upper 90s to around 100 or so most days. Of course, if you get caught under a shower or so, that drops temperatures back for a while. But afternoon shower and storm chances each day through at least Sunday or Monday. But most days, we're only talking 10 or 20% or a little more, not much. I mean, a couple of areas get a little downpour each afternoon, but it doesn't look like any widespread rain anytime soon. And then by next week, we may dry out a bit more, but still looking at a little breezy and hot weather through the weekend. Remember, no heat advisories today, but still kind of hot August weather continues. We'll keep tracking it here on Channel 5 News at noon.